some of the benefits, I'm going to highlight some of these benefits of the short-term rentals is you earn 3 to 5 times more money with the short-term rental. Okay? There's a higher cash-on-cash return, which also means you have more cash flow. I'm not a tax advisor, right? So, but you can speak to your tax advisor. I've spoken to mine. There's great tax benefits because of the amount of time you have to manage the rental as a real estate professional. Now, with those benefits, right, I've already highlighted some of these as I was speaking, there are risks, right? Now, some of the risk is it is a higher price point. These B and A neighborhoods are more expensive than your C neighborhoods or your D neighborhoods where you can buy it under $100,000, right? These neighborhoods and homes are more expensive. You have higher startup fees. Your rehab level, we talked about that, has to be at a higher quality level. The furnishing is not free. We're not going to Goodwill, right? We're not going to Salvation Army. We have to buy this furnishing in a way that will attract more customers. I talked about this a little bit, but there's also more tenants. Bad tenants will happen. Luckily, I hired a good property management team. Now, what they do is they have a little vetting process in the beginning. And while they're there, if they notice that something's going awry, there's a party, there's too many cars coming in, they know how to handle it immediately. But you want to avoid that because you don't want to disturb the neighborhood because that's what's going to get you into trouble.